All right, I'm excited because I have new sound effects. So are you excited? I'll give you a new sound effect after the first problem. Evaluate variable expressions for numerators and denominators. Here's the idea. You're going to work the top of a fraction first. Work the top, which is called the numerator. And after that, you're going to work the bottom, which is the denominator. So work the top, work the bottom, and then at the very end, you're going to divide what you get. Watch how this works. You're going to like it. Hopefully. All right. So I have a w minus an x. I'm going to take the w out, put in parentheses, take the x out, put in parentheses. Now I'm going to replace, well, I'm going to put the value for w and the value for x in. The value for w is 10. The value for x is 10. Now I'm going to evaluate the numerator, the top, and then I'll evaluate the denominator, the bottom, and do the final division. Well, 10 minus 10 is 0. Looks like I started to write 10 over 10. And what is 0 divided by 10? 0. If I have no M&Ms, and I split them between 10 people, how many M&Ms does everybody get? No M&Ms. 0 divided by 10 is 0. Sound effect! Ready? Did you hear that one? Okay, next one. Evaluate the expression for x equals 15 and then simplify your answer. Well, here's an x. I'm going to remove the x, replace it with parentheses, remove the x, replace it with parentheses. Now I'm going to put my value in the parentheses, so this 15 is going to go in the parentheses. I will simplify the numerator and the denominator. This is 15. 15 minus 14 is 1. So this is 15 divided by 1 is 15. There we go. And my next sound effect is, I don't even know what this is. I think it's chickens. Here's the next one. I'm going to remove the D and the G and replace them with parentheses. And the same thing here, removing the D and the G and replacing them with parentheses. I'm going to put a 12 in where the D's are and an 8 in for the G's. And now I will evaluate this. 12 plus 8 is 20. 12 minus 8 is 4. And now I'm going to do that final division. And the final division, 20 divided by 4 is 5. What's my next one? That was chickens again. Let's try something else. How about... Ducks? Evaluate the expression for p equals -5 and q equals 5. 13, removing the p, removing the q, over 5, putting a -5 where the p was, putting a 5 where the q was, and now I'm going to evaluate the top of this and the bottom. 13 times -5. Well, that's going to be negative 50, 65, negative 65 plus 5 over 5. Still simplifying this down. 65, negative 65 plus 5, that takes me to negative 60 over 5, which is going to be negative 12. And the last sound effect. That's it. It's a bell. Can you even hear those? I'm going to have to listen to this video or watch the video and see if you can even hear the sound effects. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.